Hello guys, our sponsor OUKITEL is a company that has become one of the top Chinese brands when it comes with high quality rugged smartphones. So today we have a special giveaway from OUKITEL in which you can win the upcoming model. You have a chance to get the first hands-on OUKITEL new model WP6. OUKITEL's new model WP6 will be launched 20th this month following the good reputation of the WP5. WP6 is endowed with two main features, 10,000 mAh battery and 48 megapixel triple rear cameras. So this huge 10,000 mAh battery for WP6 lasts for alleged 750 hours for standby, 52 hours for calling, 25 hours for browsing. For the outdoor lovers, this is superb. 1.1mm thick Corning glass is another highlight. From the OUKITEL's campaign page, it shows clearly that the drill broke while trying to drill a hole through the WP6. Triple Corning glass enables the phone to bear seriously shocks and falls. OUKITEL alleged the operation system is going to be much faster than their previous models and most of the counterparts of their competitions. This point is easily ignored by some second-line brands, but users really care about it. Everyone needs faster phones. The price will be very affordable compared to those existing currently, which will be revealed on the 20th this month. Just keep tuned. You can join OUKITEL on this official website to win one. They giving away from 10 smartphones to celebrate this happiness with fans. The more entries, the bigger is chance you win. The links are below in the description and in comments below the video. Thanks for being with us. Share your more valuable opinion and feedback in the comment section down below. Good luck to all, stay tuned for further updates in upcoming videos. Bye.